You see, life is the greatest miracle. It's so beautiful because each moment of our life, we have that choice, whether to be happy or not. We have that choice to love or not to love. There's no forcing in anything. But when we understand life itself, we understand the meaning of life, we can appreciate each moment. And that is the most wonderful miracle. And for your question, yes, I do believe in miracle because I do it. And I live it every moment of my life. And I see the miracle in each people, each devotee, each people that I met. When you look at the eyes of the people, you see that little glitter, that speck of divinity which is shining inside of them. And you say, yes, in the Bhagavad, the Puranas actually, there's this beautiful verse that Bhagavan, Srimad Narayana, infused himself in all his creation. His body became the mountain, his hair became the river, and so on, And you see that in everybody, when you start to appreciate, when you start to see him inside of you, when you feel him inside of you, you will see him in everyone and in everything. Not only in the animated things, but in the unanimated things also he's present. Because you see, in our mind we think that God have to be only, God is each person is a personification of the divine, only in the living things, So to the maximum we will find him in the tree. In the Hindu tradition we go around the tree. Very often here we see a lot of stones, For you, maybe for the mind, is wondering why these people have so much stone in front. Because we perceive, the divine in all his aspect, not only in the aspect which is animated, but the unanimated also. Bhagavan in his fullness, God in his fullness. With God can't just be one thing. It have to be everything. It's either he's everything or he's not. And we all agree that God is everything. Whether you have experiencing or you have not experiencing, there is a certain understanding. But there is an energy behind everything, because nothing can be coincident. Nothing have just happened by itself. Life have not just happened by itself. Look at how many people, if you think that life is just a coincidence that it happened, of course science would tell you, yes, two persons come together and they have sex and then life happened. No, it's not just so easy. How many people are having the same thing and crying to have babies? So many couple come to me and asking, they can't. If that was so easy, they have done everything, every treatment, everything. Not possible. If that was so easy like that, if life was just a coincidence or just pure chance, no, then it should happen, but it don't. And that is the miracle of life,